Pulled up on him, chat. Oh no. Got that popper out. They got what they call it? Oh, I had one. They got what was it? Full control mode. What the shit said?
Hey, what's that? I'm trying to.
Yeah, we want that.
I gotta get nice. I used to switch. Let me see what this is.
I just got a top water bite of off.
Oh, you can't even switch this thing. I got dragons. Now you can't. Total control mode. Let me see that.
It look different. Shit might say getting wavy. Oh, he just caught some shit. Top water bite. Hit that thing. I'm gonna hit that thing.
Oh yeah, that total control mode. Down hard.
Word
Oh,
up.
you really swinging that shit. Oh no. Nah, that shit crazy, yo.
Before that, got him. Got me a top water pop. A little crappy.
One might ever know.
Come on, come on. What the fuck that even mean? Oh, I had to turn the tension down. I'm bugged out. Bring your ass, nigga.
Yes.
Bring your ass. Boy! Come on now.
Somebody caught a toad.
Yeah.